is the review of the Nike AirMax 95 in the blue colorway. I could not, for the life of me, find this colorway anywhere. I looked on every website I could find, and I could not find it. So I decided to go to Nike by You on the Nike app and pretty much design my own colorway, and I think it came out perfect. You rarely seldom see shoes this color, so I went on and took a leap of faith, and it came out perfect, man. I want y'all to enjoy the rest of this video. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. More to come. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. More to come. Peace out.